What's up, guys? JG-Pyro here. We have a up to 350 gram cake by Elite Fireworks called Beta Zoom. This is part of your Dynamics Box combo kit. So you can either buy these as a single item if you like this specific cake, or you can get the box kit and save a good bit of money on getting those together. I believe, you know what, I can't quote you on the price right now, but I will put it up on the screen for the retail price for the box kit. And for our effects, we have 12 shots. It's up to 350 grams, up to 130 feet, 24-second duration. And we have, looks like 7/8 to 3/16 to 1 inch, which that may be 1 3/16, with a W fan design with willows, strobe, brocade, tails, and W shape. This one actually has quite a few colors. So you have rosy red, bold gold, metallic silver, light cyan, amazing purple, and lime green. So quite a spread. Let's take a look at the inside of this cake here. So looks like we have first a volley of 3 shots and then 2 volleys in a W fan pattern with a slightly smaller tube diameter. Might have the tails in there. And then the last 3 shots, which I'm expecting to be a finale, is back to that 1 inch tube diameter. And pull the tape out here just to confirm that these larger diameters are 1 inch tubes. And as the inside diameter, they're right at 1 inch. These smaller ones, just a hair over 3/4 inch. So let's go ahead and take this cake out to the field, see how it looks.